How to download Taptap Send app. So if you want to download Taptap Send app on your device, then first check your internet connection, and once you've checked your internet connection, you can go for your Play Store or your App Store, and then you will have the search bar. Tap on the search bar and search for Taptap Send. Once you've searched, here you will have your application. So if you want to download and install this application, then you will have install button. You can simply tap on that install button and it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, you can simply go for open, which will be on the right side. Tap on that open button and you can continue with your Google, or you can log in, or you can sign up or register to your account. So that's it. That's how you download Taptap Send app on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.